After visiting the United States, Rizal lived in London from May 1888 to March 1889. He chose the English city to be his new home for three reasons: to improve his knowledge of the English language; number two, to study and annotate the work of Antonio de Morga, the Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas; and London was safe place to carry on his fight against the Spanish tyranny. On May 24, 1888, Rizal arrived in the well-known port city of Liverpool. He wrote to his family, "Liverpool is a big and beautiful city, and it is celebrated. The port is magnificent, and the custom house is good." A day after docking at Liverpool, Rizal went to London. Rizal stayed as a guest at the home of Dr. Antonio Ma Regidor. After arriving in London, Rizal used his time learning. He was determined to improve his knowledge on the English language, while he also engaged his interest in Philippine studies. By the end of May, he found a modest boarding house place at number 37 Chalcot Crescent, Primsor Hill. The Bricketts welcomed Rizal like family. Rizal found Sundays in London to be uninteresting. This caused Rizal to spend his Sundays in the house of Dr. Reinhold Rose, the librarian of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Annotating and studying the Sucesos de las Islas Filipinas was the main goal of Rizal in the English capital. Rizal studied the history of his country and annotated the work not to profit money, but for his interest and love for the Philippines. On September 1888, he visited the city of Paris to acquire possible historical documents in the Bibliothèque Nationale, or the National Library of France. During his stay there, he met Juan Luna and wife Paz Pardo de Tavera. Rizal made another trip on December 11, 1888, and went to Spain to hear the most recent news about political activities in the Philippines. While he was there, he met Marcelo H. del Pilar and Mariano Pons. On December 24, 1888, Rizal went back and spent Christmas in London with the Becketts. Rizal wrote his first article in La Solidaridad. It was entitled Los Agricultoros Filipinos, an article about Filipino farmers suffering. Rizal received news on Fray Rodriguez, an unvetted attack on his Nole. In defense, he wrote a pamphlet entitled La Visión del Fray Rodriguez. In London, Rizal wrote the famous Letter to the Young Women of Malolos in Tagalog. He penned it upon the request of Marcelo del Pilar. Rizal also contributed articles to the Journal of Asian Studies of Dr. Ross. Rizal had a romantic relationship with the eldest daughter of Mr. Beckett. As their flirtation was fast approaching to the point of no return, Rizal suddenly realized that he could not marry Kete, for he had a mission to fulfill in life. On March 19, 1889, he bade goodbye to the kind Beckett family. He was sad as he crossed the English Channel, for he cherished so many beautiful memories of London. Rizal stayed in London marked a significant chapter of his life. In London, he had devoted himself in the study of history. He took advantage of all the documents and sources available in the well-known British Museum. In London, he experienced the kind of life with the people of the England. Rizal's goal of improving himself in the English language, annotating the work of Morga, and engaging in the Philippine studies were all achieved before he left the city.